Klinkhammer. For more than 40 years, this name has been synonymous with automated intralogistics concepts. Whether planning new central warehouses, extensions, or retrofits of existing plants, Klinkhammer sees itself as a general contractor because we analyze, plan, and realize not only your intralogistics projects, but also supply software to ensure smoothly running processes and take care of maintenance and service. So we always offer solutions that perfectly suit your requirements and simplify your operational workflow. The Klinkhammer Group is a family-run, mid-sized company that was founded in 1972. It has always been our goal to make the flow of materials in warehouses more efficient. Today, Klinkhammer stands for comprehensive solutions covering all areas of intralogistics challenges such as warehouse logistics, availability of goods, distribution technology, based on our warehouse management software. Whether you need a high bay warehouse, a shuttle warehouse for boxes and pallets, or an automated small parts warehouse, Klinkhammer will supply you upon request with a ready-to-use solution. As general contractor, we will ensure that commissioning and handover of your project will be conducted on time. Each project starts with a comprehensive analysis checking the project for profitability, performance requirements, and the expected useful life. Then we will plan and design the system using state-of-the-art CAD tools. Our technical staff accompanies you right from the start of the project to commissioning. This ensures that all ideas, agreements, and suggestions will be taken into account for intralogistics system with a high customer satisfaction. A material flow computer and modern control engineering ensure control of the system components. Our software that is exactly tailored to your needs will be tested in our factory first using the latest tools available on the market. Conveyors ensure a trouble-free, smooth flow of goods of all sizes and weights, from the goods receiving area to the high bay warehouse, from the automated small parts storage to order picking and to the shipping area. This applies to all system and construction types. Pick by light, pick by voice, stacker control systems, the optimum preparation for sequenced loading onto trucks. Klinkhammer always knows the right solution for you and thus assists in optimally structuring the flows of material in your system. To ensure that everything will be running upon completion of the installation, Klinkhammer offers comprehensive service and support via remote access. We offer a hotline 24 hours a day, care for regular inspections upon request, provide spare parts, and train your staff. In case of problems, our service team will be immediately with you, competent and reliable. Klinkhammer. Our name stands for high customer satisfaction, partnership-based cooperation, and long-lasting business relations. All throughout Europe, customers trust in our know-how and our industry-specific solutions in the sector of foodstuff, chemicals, production, automotive, trade, or furniture. Short communication paths, flat hierarchies, fast decision-making, ongoing service. These are the characteristics of the Klinkhammer Group, and more than 40 years of experience from numerous projects. Try us, because together we can achieve a lot also in your sector of industry. Klinkhammer, intralogistics in perfection. Everything from one source.